Logan Salvage Automotive here. Quick one for you. Bad wiper motor linkage assembly. This is the Jeep we put the clutch in. I put the clutch in. You guys watched. You could offer to help next time. That's all I'm saying. You don't have to just watch. You could help. Anyway, I got the cowl off the other day checking this. And I know it's bad. Let's change it right quick. Ta-da. There's supposed to be a third bolt. It appears somebody before me has snapped it right. I don't know. It may just be missing. Yeah, it's just missing. I'll try to find a bolt. Let me go grab the new one. Got the new one. Just put her in position here. I don't have to dig around for what I'm assuming is like a 7mm bolt. But we can find out if they work first. I did check powers and grounds to this the other day. I know it has power and ground. Just like it's supposed to. So now, turn the key on. Wiper should work. Oh yeah, low speed, high speed. Back to park. Right. Let me find a bolt and we'll put the cowl back on it and this one will be done. Again. Dig through my hardware for an hour and I'll bring you guys back. Me again. I found a bolt. It's right there. You can't see it, but I put it in there. I'm going to tighten it down. I'm not going to claim it's absolutely necessary to have that bolt, but you know what? It didn't have it before and it does now, so I feel better about it. Yeah. Get the hood propped up and we'll put the cowl back on. One Jeep cowl panel. There we go. There's probably supposed to be like a dozen bolts, but this one had a total of 4. They're over here in the floorboard. Or they were in the cup holder. Allergic to work. Anybody else out there allergic to work? Every time I start working, I start sneezing. A lot of people claim they're allergic to work, I guess. Do 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 do. You guys think of my hat? Curiosity. I dig it, but I'll wear anything. Wore this hat to a wedding the other day. There's a rubber that was across the bottom. I'm pretty sure. Upper arm, upper arm, rubber. There, that's got the rubber back on it. Now we can shut the hood. Now, on this specific Jeep, both of the wiper arms appear to be identical. There's no difference. It doesn't matter what side they go on. Not all vehicles are that way. Some vehicles have a left and right wiper. Remember that. And now, let's turn the key on and verify they work. Ta-da! And now that we've got functioning wipers, this Jeep is done. I'm going to eat a bite. I'm going to move the fleet around. I'm going to get this off the carport and get ready for the next project. This has been Logan Salvage Automotive. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.